As per the most recent long-haul conjecture, Bitcoin SV cost will hit $50 by the center of 2028. Bitcoin SV value forecast 2023 to 2024. Bitcoin SV cost began in 2023 at $41.07. Today, Bitcoin SV exchanged at $39.71. So the cost diminished by 3% from the start of the year. The gauge Bitcoin SV cost toward the finish of 2023 is $39.72, and the year-to-year change 3%. The change from today to year-end, 0%. In 2023, we hope to see $46.26 per 1 Bitcoin SV. In the primary portion of 2024, the Bitcoin SV cost will drop to $36.58. In the last part, the cost would lose $2.35 and close the year at $34.23. Which is 14% to the ongoing cost. The conjecture for later close to days and months. Tuesday, February 14, $39.76. Wednesday, February 15, $39.81. Thursday, February 16, $39.85. Friday, February 17, $39.90. Saturday, February 18, $39.95. Sunday, February 19, $40. Monday, February 20, $40.04. Tuesday, February 21, $40.09. March 15, $41.14. April 15, $42.63. May 15, $44.06. June 15, $45.54. July 15, $45.73. Bitcoin SV expectation 2025 to 2029. These 5 years would bring an increment. Bitcoin SV cost would move from $34.23 to $58.39. Which is up 71%. Bitcoin SV will begin 2025 at $34.23, then, at that point, take off to $36.14 inside the initial half year of the year, and finish 2025 at $37.94. That implies 4% from today. Bitcoin SV expectation 2030 to 2034. In this period, the Bitcoin SV cost would ascend from $58.39 to $73.50. Which is plus 26%. Bitcoin SV will begin 2030 at $58.39, then dip to $54.89 inside the main portion of the year, and finish 2030 at $57.98. It is about plus 46% from today. Authentic gauges 1/15/2023 Bitcoin SV value forecast 2023 to 2024 Bitcoin SV cost began in 2023 at $41.07. Today, Bitcoin SV exchanged at $44.74. So the cost expanded by 9% from the outset of the year. The anticipated Bitcoin SV cost toward the finish of 2023 is $49.13, and the year-to-year change plus 20%. The ascent from today to year-end plus 10%. In 2023, we hope to see $56.82 per 1 Bitcoin SV. In the principal half of 2024, the Bitcoin SV cost will move to $51.59. In the final part, the cost would add $6.64 and close the year at $58.23, which is plus 30% to the ongoing cost. Bitcoin SV forecast 2025 to 2029. These 5 years would bring an increment. Bitcoin SV cost would move from $58.23 to $91.74. Which is up 58%. Bitcoin SV will begin 2025 at $58.23, then, at that point, take off to $64.44 inside the initial half year of the year, and finish 2025 at $66.79. That implies plus 49% from today. Bitcoin SV expectation 2030 to 2034. In this period, the Bitcoin SV cost would ascend from $91.74 to $143.41. Which is plus 56%. Bitcoin SV will begin 2030 at $91.74, then take off to $97.24 inside the primary portion of the year, and finish 2030 at $102.71. It is about plus 130% from today. 1/1/2023 Bitcoin SV value expectation 2023 to 2024 Bitcoin SV cost began in 2023 at $41.07. Today, Bitcoin SV exchanged at $41.13. so the cost diminished by 0% from the outset of the year. The anticipated Bitcoin SV cost toward the finish of 2023 is $47.26, and the year-to-year change plus 15%. The ascent from today to year-end plus 15%. In 2023, we hope to see $54.65 per 1 Bitcoin SV. In the primary portion of 2024, the Bitcoin SV cost will move to $49.62. In the final part, the cost would add $6.39 and close the year at $56.01, which is plus 36% to the ongoing cost. Bitcoin SV expectation 2025 to 2029. These 5 years would bring an increment. Bitcoin SV cost would move from $56.01 to $88.25, which is up 58%. Bitcoin SV will begin 2025 at $56.01, then take off to $61.98 inside the initial half year of the year, and finish 2025 at $64.24. That implies plus 56% from today. Bitcoin SV forecast 2030 to 2034. In this period, the Bitcoin SV cost would ascend from $88.25 to $137.94, which is plus 56%. Bitcoin SV will begin 2030 at $88.25, then take off to $93.55 inside the principal half of the year, and finish 2030 at $98.81. It is about plus 140% from today. 12/15/2022 Bitcoin SV value forecast 2022 to 2023. Bitcoin SV cost began in 2022 at $121.70. Today, Bitcoin SV exchanged at $46.53, so the cost diminished by 62% from the very start of the year. The gauge Bitcoin SV cost toward the finish of 2022 is $50.77, and the year-to-year change 58%. The ascent from today to year-end plus 9%. In the principal half of 2023, the Bitcoin SV cost will drop to $46.75. In the final part, the cost would lose $3 and close the year at $43.75, which is 6% to the ongoing cost. Bitcoin SV expectation 2024 to 2028. These 5 years would bring an increment. Bitcoin SV cost would move from $43.75 to $76.80, which is up 76%. Bitcoin SV will begin 2024 at $43.75, then take off to $46.19 inside the initial half year of the year, and finish 2024 at $48.49. That implies plus 4% from today. Bitcoin SV forecast 2029 to 2033. In this period, the Bitcoin SV cost would ascend from $76.80 to $89.81, which is plus 17%. Bitcoin SV will begin 2029 at $76.80, then, at that point, dip to $65.